Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to become a billionaire. Welcome to the Billionaire Club, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Just click the subscribe button if you want to become a billionaire. Jeff Bezos, by name of Jeffrey Preston Bezos, born January 12, 1964, Albuquerque, New Mexico, U.S. American entrepreneur who played a key role in the growth of e-commerce as the founder and chief executive officer of Amazon.com, an online merchant of books and later of a wide variety of products. Under his guidance, Amazon became the largest retailer on the World Wide Web and the model for internet sales. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos just bought the makings of an $80 million mega residence in New York City. But before the richest man in the world purchased a 3-level penthouse at 212 Fifth Avenue, plus 2 additional apartments, Billionaire Club got a tour of the triplex mega residence in New York City. The sprawling 10,000 square foot penthouse has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and a 7-room master suite. The master suite is a dream, Field told CNBC in October 2018. There's a private bedroom, as well as 2 dressing rooms, 2 extraordinarily well-outfitted bathrooms, a sitting room, and a home office, numerous closets, magnificent views and privacy from the rest of the home. Inside the master bathroom is a breathtaking view of the Empire State Building from the tub. In addition to the master suite, the first level of the main residence also has a great room that connects to the home's kitchen and formal dining room. The penthouse's second level has a sunlit lounge area that opens up to 5,000 square foot terrace. Below it, a view of Manhattan's famous flattened building taken from the terrace of the penthouse Bezos has purchased. The triplex's top floor includes what Field refers to as the observatory, a single room surrounded by glass doors that opens to a panoramic terrace with north, east and south views of the Manhattan skyline. The penthouse was originally listed for $73.8 million in November 2017. Sources tell CNBC's Robert Frank that Bezos will pay roughly $58 million for the penthouse and get the 2 additional apartments on the lower floor for about $20 million. The CEO's 3-unit deal includes 4 floors totaling more than 17,000 square feet with 12 bedrooms. Not bad for a nip-hide at air.